Hey, Yardbird around Manchester, you come up in my receive like gangbusters that last go around. Hello, Yardbird, Charlie Brown, back out.
Charlie Brown, oh Johnny. Hello, Charlie Brown. Oh Johnny, this Virginia border waving.
Yeah, man, what's going on up there around Virginia this morning break?
He got that big old hammer down, man. He got that big old maul down out here around the hills of
Hey, Roger on that, Yardbird. Well, man, I'm doing what I can, big brother. I just heard you in there calling, and I wanted to see if I could make it back. Yardbird, Charlie Brown with that wave.
One finger waving at you from Kansas City, straight up, one finger. Radio beat, refrain stop.
I tell you what, Yardbird, man, it's a train wreck out here right now. Good God Almighty, I think everybody's off work today, Yardbird. What you think about that?
Right about now, Charlie Brown, you come through that. I don't like a buckle, but I got the hammer down. Hello, Charlie. I think everybody in California got their Christmas present early. They all got radios and they all turned them on. What do you think? You know what?
Yeah, I heard that. I did, Yardbird. And I heard old little boy Blue in there, and then that fisherman come up in there and said everybody must have got a radio for Christmas and cleaned out my receive. I'm back out.
Right on, Charlie Brown, little boy Blue. Just want to say happy Christmas to you coming on, no doubt about it.
Hey, Roger on that, little boy Blue. Well, man, I appreciate the wave. Ain't no doubt about it, big brother. Peace and grace around your place. And, man, I hope you have a Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Little boy Blue, Charlie Brown on the west side on his ground plane, getting on down.
Right on, Charlie Brown, you got that thing down. Yeah, Motor Mouth Mall sounding a little funny on that kind of picking in, no doubt about it. Alright, Charlie Brown, Merry Christmas on that end. I'm going to slide to the side and see what's going on in my radio. Charlie Brown, west side, little boy Blue, downtown, Little Rock, Arkansas. I'm gone now, but I get back with you.
Alright, little boy Blue, the mayor of Arkansas. Ain't no doubt about it. Little boy Blue, the mayor of Arkansas. Sound a whole bunch of good, man, out here on the west side. I got it all, big brother. Take it easy, take care with that holiday cheer. Ain't no doubt. Little boy Blue, Charlie Brown's back out.
Hello, Shipman or Reverend Shoemaker. Brown, you broke that kind of picker down. You rolled them down, you rolled that kind of picker down. That kind of picker was on top at first, but you rolled them all the way down. You got them broke in, no doubt about it. Charlie Brown, little boy Blue, bye.
Thank you, little boy Blue. I appreciate it, big brother. And I got it all one more time. Little boy Blue, Charlie Brown on the west side. With that Monday wave out here in CB land. I'm getting on down, little boy Blue, Charlie Brown, and I'm back out.
Oh, you no doubt about it. I don't think you on no ground plane, but you got more of my mouth covered up like that. I ain't talking about a hay peel. You better not move from that spot. Y'all must be doing a little bit up and down now. Doggone, and you taking that camping ground. And there's a neighbor talking and friend talking and down the block talking.
Well, man, I declare that's all I'm doing. I got a ground plane out there that I paid $85 for. It was $70 and $15 shipping. And it's lent up against a half-rotten fence out there on 30 foot of conduit pipe. I don't know why the wind ain't blowed it down. Little boy Blue, Charlie Brown, the big old clown around the Santa Cruz town. And I'm back out. boo, bye, 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 Charlie Brown. Just got down and I'm back out.